we'd like to expand 2x minus 1 to the fifth. You could FOIL everything out. You have better things to do. So let's use the binomial theorem. Let's just look at what it gave us and try to find patterns. Notice on our n choose r or n choose j, whatever notation it is, we have 5 on the top all the way through. That 5 came from the power. Now in our bottom number we have a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to 5. Now let's look at the exponents. Our first part of the binomial that we're expanding is 2x. Let's look at its power. It goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And then negative 1, because this is plus a negative 1. It starts at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the way up till 5. Now to find the n choose r, we could just use the definition. So for example, 5 choose 0 is 5 factorial over 0 factorial, and then 5 minus 0 factorial, which is 5 factorial over 0 factorial is 1, and over 5 factorial, well, those cancel and we get 1. Now that does take a little bit of work. There's a shortcut. We're going to use Pascal's triangle. This is formed by starting with a 1 on top, and that corresponds to x plus a to the 0th power. It's just a 1. Then we put a 1 and a 1. This corresponds to x plus a to the first power. If you take something to the first power, you just get it back. So there's a 1 in front of the x and a 1 in front of the a. Okay, now we do another 1 on the outside of both things. Now, then we take the 1 and the 1, add them together, and we'll get a 2. Okay, this corresponds to x plus a squared. So we have an x squared times 1 plus 2 times x times a plus 1 times a squared. Then do it again. 1's on the outside. Okay, 1 plus 2 gives us a 3. 2 plus 1 gives us a 3. Note they're symmetric. So if we took x plus a to the 3rd power, we're going to have an x cubed with a 1 in front, plus, now we drop the power of the x down 1, increase the power of a up 1, and then this is our coefficient. So we have plus 3x squared a, and then plus, same, 3, but x goes down, a goes up for the exponent, and then we end with an a cubed. So let's go down all the way to the 5th power. So we have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and a 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. These are the coefficients right here. So this 5 choose 0 is 1, 5 choose 1 is 5, 5 choose 2 is 10, and then it's symmetric, so we have 10, 5, and 1. Okay, and let's look what we have here. 2x to the 5th is like 2 to the 5th times x to the 5th, and 2 to the 5th is 32. So we're going to have a 32 x to the 5th, and negative 1 to the 0 is just 1. So our first term will be 32 x to the 5th. Now we're going to have a 5 times a 16x to the 4th times a negative 1. So we'll have a minus 80x to the 4th. For this one we have 8x cubed. Negative 1 squared is just 1. So we have plus 80x cubed. Here we'll have a 4x and a negative 1. So minus 40x squared. Sorry, that's a squared. Over here, 2x to the 1st is just 2x. Negative 1 to the 4th is just 1. So we have plus 10x. And then our last term, this is to the 0 power, so it's just 1. This will be a negative 1. So we have minus 1. And that is this binomial expanded.